What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, TGIF, and so far, Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin is green, giving us a nice green day so far, showing a lot of strength. We're going to take a look at those charts. We're going to take a look at the DXY. Could it be at a reversal point? And then we're just going to slowly go through, well, not slowly, as quickly as we can, go through altcoins, just seeing how they have recovered too. A lot of strength, guys, a lot of strength. In red days, they're going to be less and less. You gotta buy. I hope some of you bought yesterday, had the guts to do it. And so without further ado, let's do this. Because man, I wish I had capital. Yesterday I would have bought, like I mentioned in the video, like this is what I'd be buying right now. And everything that I said I would be buying is up today. So hey, there's that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the daily and why everything is up today. Bitcoin, okay, boom, nice red, nice green day. Now PPI numbers came out. Okay, apparently they were positive. Let's just real quickly. I was looking at this project right here. Blue move. Where's the PPI? Okay. Reports show PPI continues to cool, albeit not quite as quickly as the Fed might like. After an upside surprise for the September CPI report, which was yesterday, producer prices came in below expectations and provide support for a 25 basis point rate cut in November, says Matthew Martin, senior U.S. economist at Oxford Economics. That's just one point of view. Other people, again, have seen it and said it didn't come down too much. Actually, I think it over year came up. It was up. Let's see really quick. When in doubt, just go to X and type in PPI and see what pops up. See, look at this guy. See, it all depends on how you slant it. Breaking September, PPI inflation rises to 1.8% above expectations of 1.6. Core inflation rises 2 point above expectations of 2.7. Both core PPI and CPI inflations are now officially back on the rise. The Fed did not need a 50 rate either. So you hear that, right? And then same thing. PPI suggests that the deflationary trend should continue. Headline PPI was flat for the month, and core PPI rose by 0.2%. Both readings were lower than August's reading and came in below expectations. Crazy, huh? Boom, CPI, and exactly projected. Blah blah. All right, so it's just how you interpret it. Okay, how did the market interpret it? Because that's kind of the most important thing, and that's how it was. Okay, let's take a look at the other. Dow Jones, same, up. Nasdaq was greener. Now it's just kind of sideways right now, exactly like yesterday, but yesterday closed just slightly green. Red. And S&P 500, Nasdaq and S&P 500 are new all-time highs. So yeah, the market took it pretty well actually. And to me, let's analyze this move really quickly. Okay, as you can see, it is engulfing so far right now three of these previous bodies. That's a nice 1 day. Taking back the losses of 3. All right, the last 3 days we are right back there. And on top of that, I like this little candle shape. Okay, that long wick just got eaten up. And funny how this line right here, it touched just right there, just right at it. Right, crazy how that works. And I guess maybe that is resistance. Although, I mean, you could still make an argument this is still low. Higher low. Okay, so I mean we're still headed in the right direction. Yeah, I could still see that. So let's see what happens here. Maybe it's just look at this bigger triangle right here. You can see it right here. Interesting. Maybe it's just gonna widen up a little bit and then bang. Eventually that whole bang, the going up part is gonna happen, guys. Right now 62,355. Okay, so what a difference today makes right there. And I hope some of you guys are buying. Let's take a look at the XY really quick actually, because okay, we identified this area of possible resistance, and so far the last 3 days it seems to be that area is resistance. And right now we're having a red day. So let's see, we're rejecting off of this area. Let's hope that we do. And if we do reject it, then we are going to come back down and see what happens there. But I mean, I if you scale out, you can see been in a downtrend. Oh, more sideways, but in a downtrend recently. So I mean, maybe a little bit more, something like this. And then come back down. We still have time. We still have like a year, basically, right? A year for Bitcoin to just go up and up and up and up and top out, go parabolic. Altcoins go parabolic, right? It's gonna be awesome. If this is gonna be your first bull run, buckle the heck up. It's awesome. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance really quick. I like this. Up, 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 up. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Right. Others, nice bounce. Kept this line too. I mean, we've gone through it, but we've pretty much kept it. This is proving to be support, and once that proves to be support, I think these things, you know, others is going to go up, which means the altcoins that we look at, I look at, are going to go up, guys. Okay, up, 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 and away. I can't wait, man. It's something that if you've never been through, you won't understand. What I say, Rio yesterday, I said it could possibly drop down here, but I don't know. It depends on what the market does. And well, if you had bought, nibbled, you'd be happy today. Look at that, $1.14. Rio is a serious one. Miggles is also a serious one. Okay, it's having a kind of red day, just kind of holding this line. It has to hold this line. If it doesn't hold this line, it might come back down here. It just might, because I mean that's what it does, right? And if it does, oh man, you would be so lucky, because this project is so good. This project is going to be a blue chip. Okay, this project is going to be a blue chip. These guys behind it, yes, it's a freaking cat meme. These guys behind it are serious. They are serious, and they are making all the right moves. I just heard an AMA with one of the team members, and man, they just, I don't know, everything that they're putting together, the way they're moving, it's just really great. Hearing them talk and hearing them discuss all of their plans and what they're doing, what they've been doing, I always come away even more bullish now, and I'm bullish as F right now on Mr. Miggles, and maybe you should be too. So on red days like this one, I mean, yeah, I'd nibble, but we'll see, because if it can't hold, then you know I could envision it coming down one more time, boom. Then that's it, man. This thing is gonna go. Maybe it doesn't even do that. Maybe it holds. If it holds, then you know the next couple tries up above this line, then I think it could possibly go. Especially if the market starts to possibly go as well. Toshi, okay, showing some strength. Toshi, right? I don't know the team too much, as much as like I follow the Miggles one, but apparently Toshi is legit as well. They are focused. They're going to be. I think they could possibly be a blue chip as well. They're going to be more than one winners, guys. Keyboard cat, holding right here. Let's see if it does hold. Kind of similar to Miggles, where if it kind of holds this little narrow stretch of land, Cyberland, what? I don't know, chart land. If it can hold it a little bit, then you know I think it's still going to continue moving up. All right, dog and me. Could it be that this is maybe the little floor and it doesn't come back down here? I thought maybe it could, and it still might. It depends on what the rest of the market does. But then, you know, these things can also move on their own. But I'd be nibbling. I would be nibbling. What else? Creo. Look at this nice little boom. Sorry, out of here. Boom. Let's see what happens though if it comes back down here. Buying down here, I knew it was going to be awesome. I wish I would have had money. I would have bought. Soonverse. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Show them some strength. You know what? If it can stay right here and kind of gain this ground back, this descending line right now, this is at a 0.006. If it can kind of stay right here, then this next attempt I think is going to be the one to break it. Boom, break through this 0.11 cent and go. Let's see. Microcap. I believe in the project. And I'm honestly like I would be more in memes right now. I'd be focused more on memes than other plays, because if you go listen to what that dude Murad said, now if you think he's a scammer or not, I don't know, but if you go see the whole what he's talking about memes, just type in Murad in YouTube and go see. He did it on like a conference or something. I don't know, not a conference. Let me see. Murad speech token. It's about memes. This guy. Yeah, on Singapore. Token 2049. Go watch this. Murad Mahamudov, and he's talking about meme coins. You tell me after you see you see that, if you don't come away thinking, yeah, I should probably add more memes to my mix. All right. Okay. But then there are some gems like you know, not just memes. Obviously, to have a good portfolio, you have to be in good narratives. The second best narrative previously was, the beginning of this bull market was RWA. The first half of this bull market was RWA. Number one, memes, right? gaming has underperformed. I think gaming is going to turn around this last half. Okay, everything's going to turn around this last half. Let's see what Cineverse is doing. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of. I'm gonna give you a couple of interesting plays to look at as well. But I mean, I would look at these things first, and then I'd kind of maybe, if you had you want to find some other stuff to maybe play and look into. Pochita could be one that you might play and look into. This is all courtesy of my VIP group, by the way. Interesting chart right here. 7.8 million market cap, 3.2 million volume, and so obviously brand new project. Okay, keep that in mind. Obviously a lot more risky, but memes are risky. AABL, check out this AABL. And what this guy's talking about is he mentioned something about like that memes they're gonna change a little bit. They're not just gonna be cat and dogs. They're gonna be, some of them could be more serious or just, you know, just different. Okay, like parodies. This one is a parody of Apple. Okay, AABL on Solana as well. 4 million market cap, 390,000. I like it, and you know what? I also like this chart. This chart finally shows a lot of strength and breakout. I'd wait to see where it consolidates, because maybe it gives back a lot of these gains. But then after that, I would look to probably position myself a little bit in something like that. I like it. Interesting. All right, I think that's it, guys. Friday. Gotta love Fridays, huh? Let's go Bitcoin. But I think Bitcoin, if it can continue this, it's gonna make our weekend a lot happier, huh? Hold on, let's just take a look at this beautiful little chart. Love green days, don't we? That's beautiful. Let's see. So let's finish off right here real quick, actually. What we can expect. 61,200. I'd love to see it close above, okay? Close above 61,200. Let's see what happens on the weekend. All right, Saturday and Sunday usually not much, so I think we do stay into this little area right here. And then next week, if the market feels that it's positive and it wants to move up, then the next area of resistance is 64,300. If we can break that, we can break around 65,000. Once we break 64,300, I think we're gonna make the try to 69,179 in relatively short order. Okay, will we break it that first time? Maybe. We'll see. Probably not. But that's how I see things. I am bullish. So far, so good. Ooh, we got so close to 58,164. I said we wouldn't touch it again the rest of the cycle, and I thought we were gonna yesterday it would drop down that much, but so far so good. Let's see if that prediction ends up being correct or not. Time will tell. That's just for fun. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I am trying to grow this channel, and all this stuff really does help. And I got some good info, man. I got some good intel, got some good alpha, and I share it with you guys. So there it is. All that said, have yourselves a great weekend. I will see you guys Monday. Go in peace.